another video. This lady just scared me. I am back for another video. I just uploaded that me making those tapestry pants, those blanket pants for the first time. I just posted that video today, so make sure you guys go check that video out. So now I'm actually back. I'm at Goodwill. This is my second Goodwill going to today. I actually found 2 more tapestry blankets that I'm going to be making there. I actually really enjoyed making those. Those were like really fun to make, and I was like so proud of my creation, or seeing it come to life, whatever. So I wanted to keep doing them, so now I'm out thrifting trying to find some more to do. So I got 2 already. There's just this other one that was close by, so I'm gonna go stop in here to see what I can find in there. Let's get it, let's go. All right, y'all, let's see what we can find. It's very awkward recording in there, so I'm just not gonna record, okay? But anyways, I actually did find a few things in that one as well. 2 things. I spent $6 there, and then at the first one I spent $10. So let's go home and see what I got. Yeah, so from the first Goodwill, I got this tapestry blanket. From that same one, I got this. This is a bigger tapestry blanket. I got this like winter one. And then I got this like curtain. It's like this cool, like reflective kind of design on it with these on the end. So let's see what I'm gonna make out of them. I'm actually gonna throw these in the washer real quick, let them dry, and then we'll make something. So stay tuned. I got the first one dry. This is the one that I'm gonna work on today. I'm gonna make a hoodie out of it. Now I was thinking when I laid out my hoodie to just measure it just to see what it looked like, I don't think I'll have enough to make the hood, so I was just thinking maybe just an all black hood with this, but I won't know until I get there. Let me show you guys how to do it. All right, y'all, just like last video, you want to lay this out on your floor, or if you have a big table, you can lay it on your table. In my case, I don't. Then you're gonna take whatever hoodie that you like the fit of. I just like the fit of this hoodie. So I'm gonna use this hoodie and lay it where you want your front and your back panels to be. You're gonna literally take your scissors and cut out around your sweatshirt. Again, making sure to leave at least an inch or 2 kind of around the edge. I got some gas and I was still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure. Now, once you have that first piece cut out, you will then literally trace it again. Actually didn't have enough room for the sleeves on that blanket, but what I'm gonna do is I have an old, not even old, a black hoodie that I can actually take the sleeves off of this, and I will just add it on to the front and back of the tapestry blanket. All right, so we have both the front and the back cut out. Now we get to sew the bottom together. We don't want to sew where the arm sleeves go, or the headpiece. So you can sew everything else besides for those 3, 4, because you don't want to sew the bottom either. 4 holes.
Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
After sewing the top, everything but the neck and the sleeves, you should have something like a tank top like this. Then what I'm gonna do is, since I'm taking the sleeves and hoodie off of this, I'm gonna grab my seam ripper and literally just rip the sleeves, or take the sleeves off of this hoodie. So I got my sleeves cut out, both of them. So I'm gonna actually flip them inside out, line them up with the shirt where the seam is at. you're gonna put it to where it's down here. I should say down here. So then when you have it upside right, this seam won't be shown. It would be on the bottom of your arm, like as if you had the sweatshirt on. It lined up inside out, and we're gonna sew. The last thing that I gotta do for this, because I got the sleeves on and I actually flipped it inside out, or right side in. What do you guys call it? Something like that. Anyways, so this is how it's supposed to look, and all I have to do is add the hood. But this is what it's looking like so far, y'all. This is so fire. Who knew? Anyways, I'm gonna flip it back inside out, and then I'm gonna add the hood that I detached from the hoodie, same thing with the sleeves, and turn it inside out and attach it. Yeah, so it's actually the next morning. I finished the hoodie last night. This is what it's looking like. I just gotta go through, and there's some threads sticking out, so I gotta fix that. But this is what it's looking like. This is so dope. Like, what? Next thing that I'm gonna do from my pickups is this curtain. I'm gonna make it into some pants. They have like these at the bottom. I'm gonna try to put these on the pants. And then I also have some of this chunky yarn that I want to use for the drawstrings, and I want to make them like really, really long. Because like, you can see like it's like holographic gray on there. I think this will be dope.
The truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody can fight it like you do. I can't.
So I have the front and the back cut out. What I'm gonna do is take the two front pieces and make sure that they are kissing each other, because we want both these sides to show. Make sure they're kissing each other, and then we are going to sew. I don't know if I want this white cloth on it. I think I do. I want to keep that on there. Then we're gonna sew from the top all the way down to the crotch piece. Just this piece first, okay?
But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it.
The front together. This is the front of the pants. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the back of the pants and do the same exact thing from the top all the way down to the crotch. So we have our front and our backs. We are gonna line them up together. Again, with the front, the outward facing where we want people to see together. And then we're gonna sew the legs all the way down on both sides, all the way down. So we got both the sides done. Now we can focus on the middle part, and what we're gonna do is literally sew from the crotch all the way down. All right, y'all, so then there's this, like, where they tied it to the curtain rod. I'm gonna take my seam ripper and rip these off of here, and then I'm gonna try to place it on the sides of the pants. I'm gonna flip these inside out just to see if I would like it. Let's do it. Turn the pants inside out, and I have all of these here. What I did was go all the way from the bottom of the pants all the way up to where I want it placed, and that is by my knee. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go all the way up to my knee and kind of place them like right here, two of them on each side. Okay, so you can see here I ripped the seams here, I put this through, and now I'm gonna sew it down. I'm gonna pull this back out this way a little bit, but then I'm gonna sew them down, and then we should have them on the outside. I decided to add these drawstrings in still. So what I did was cut a hole, and then what I'm going to do is fold this over. Oops. Fold it over and sew. Hey y'all, I'm outside. I actually got the whole fit on. Y'all, I can't even see because the sun's so bright. That means my future bright, right? Okay. Anyways, let's see what the outfit look like. Y'all ready? This the fit, y'all. How did I do? Y'all messing with it? I think it's hard. It's hard. From a blanket, from a curtain. Pay attention to the details. Come on now. If you guys do like these videos of me going to thrift stores, finding some things and flipping them or upcycling them, whatever you guys want to call it, make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know for real down in the comment section if you guys still want to see these videos. I enjoy making them, but it's if you guys want to still see them. So let me know right now down in the comment section. Again, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.